Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday and we're out here trying to get some stuff done. We've got the old Fairlane here and we're trying to figure out why this thing's wanting to push a bunch of oil out of the dipstick tube. We just fired it with open headers. We are in the process of probably pulling the motor out anyway because I got to switch gearboxes in it and I got another converter coming. And I am rebuilding a 750 for our other little project that's sitting in the driveway. And I will show you that. I'll show you that in a minute. We just got done watching a little Limpy live. Thanks for the live feeds, Mr. Limpy, if you ever watch any of my videos. And, yeah, that's my doggy here. Hi, doggy. What's up, doggy? You want to work on the hot rod? Yeah, I wish you could. Anyway, so that's what we got going on today. So, let me get back at it here, and we'll catch up with you in a minute. It's even nice when you get your helpers out here helping you. She's working on her own car, taking the header bolts off. It's nice having somebody with small hands, isn't it? All right, we'll let her get at it. So, I've got the bowl off the carburetor, and we're trying to figure out why we're getting no squirt here. So, it's pretty standard. I mean, on these Howies, you've got a diaphragm into the pump. This is the accelerator pump, and that goes into here, but is something jamming this up. This looks pretty clean. Let's just take and spray that out a little bit. Well, we just got our little 306 running. Let's still dial in the carburetor, but I don't see any leaks. Clean it up, a little work, but you get this carburetor dialed in. Well, you can put a little heat in this thing and tune on it a little bit. Hey guys, another day in the garage, trying to get this thing apart. Me and my helper. Hi, helper.
Hi.
She loves being on camera. Anyway, we're going to get after it today. So, yeah, we got work to do. All right, we're going to cut the oil filter open on this and make sure that we don't have any material in here. Picked one of these up at good old Amazon. We got our K&N filter. And let's see. Actually, hold on to. Just keep turning it and tightening it. And I think it's starting to cut.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Let's make sure we got one good. Yep. Loosen that up. Filter. Zoom in on the filter. Look at it. I don't see anything.
I don't either.
The filter's going to give us a clean bill of health here, which is good.
Just that one thing that we found on the drain plug.
Yeah, that's it.
And
my dog's trying to
move the table
and get his blanket straight so he can lay down. But yeah, I don't see.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, the piece that we were talking about. Yeah, that was not in the video earlier. We found this piece here. We found that was stuck to the drain pan, or the drain plug, on the magnetic drain plug. So we're not sure what that is. And if anybody can identify that, put that in the old comments down below. It looks like a roll pin that was, oh, you don't have to zoom in that far. But these two pieces fit together, so that was one piece. So as we take the engine out and take it apart, we will look for where that was and identify what that was. But other than that, clean bill of health.
You gonna help Daddy with the drive shaft?
Yeah, well, I was hoping you were going to on the other side there.
Okay, I will go on the other side and help.
You could never find the wrenches I need. Lay down. Lay down.
Okay.
You a bully? Here. But, well, we got the trans out. I didn't want to bore you guys with watching someone take a transmission out again. So, this is where we're at right now. And, let's see, what are we going to do with this?
We're gonna put it on the floor somewhere.
You know what?
Get a blanket.
Right now, we'll set it right on this.
You think that's gonna hold up?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Hey, morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode, we're actually going to get the motor out of the Fairlane today. I was going to do it yesterday, but as they say, life happens. And I was going to film it, and I'm really glad I didn't, because I think I would have got demonetized and thrown off of YouTube for all the swearing I did. One tip I got to tell anybody: don't use your enclosed trailer in the middle of winter and then just leave it sit, because all the locks, yeah, I had to cut off a bunch and my electric jack don't work anymore. Anyway, bad day. So anyway, we're going to get the motor out of this thing today, I'm gonna move some stuff around. This is gonna go into storage, so I got some room. I picked up the reason I had my trailer out is I got a free toolbox, and we're gonna do a little toolbox project. So anyway, let's get after it.
All right. Huh?
All right, you can turn that off. Well, it looks like we're almost ready to pull it out. We just got to get the car out of the garage and move some stuff around. And it looks like we're finally going to have this thing out of the car. So we got to pull the hoist out of the back and slip the car out of here. Move some stuff around out here and get after it. So we're going to go ahead and set up the time lapse and get this thing done. Milwaukee tools to the front. Cameraman and a helper. And quiet. You know what this is? It's called a block saver.
Oh.
If anything ever happens back here, it saves the back of the block.
Huh?
We used to run these on the 4-speed all the time, but Ford likes them on everything, so. Well guys, it's been a long day. The motor is out of the Fairlane, and now it's time to start tearing into it and see what we got going on. So today is actually kind of a short video. My puppy wants me to come and lay down. We had a lot of stuff that we did that we didn't film. Moving cars, trailers, yada yada yada, but hey, you know what? It's all fun in a day of hot rodding. So if you like this, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you did, check to see if you still are. And hey, we'll catch you on the next one. We're going to start tearing into this thing and find out what the deal is. So we are going to do a daily thing, I think, with this. So, all right, you guys have a good one. Peace out, and see ya.